We will be participating in MF Chennai exhibition, which is coming up in August. It is of great significance to us, and also Chennai and Tamil Nadu is very popular for automotive and non-automotive components. This exhibition is quite significant for us, mainly because it is only for sheet metal customers. So we are expecting to talk to all focused customers who are going to come to this exhibition on their needs, automation, etc. etc. In this exhibition, Muratech and Meiban Engineering, we are displaying Motorum 2044 TC, which is an entry-level machine for cut-to-size sheets. This is also very useful for MSME companies who want to produce sheet metal components for export with very high accuracy. We are also putting up BV 6020, which is 60-ton 2-meter press brake with a function called Videre. This Videre is completely transforms the operation of the operators or the factories all over the world. It doesn't require any significant training. Anybody can be trained to operate this particular machine, and it has got automation inbuilt in that. So we will be focusing on quality, consistency and automation.